Welcome, dear children. Social Studies, Class 3, our solar system. We all have our own families. What is a family? Family is a group of people living together. We all live in a family. In the same way, we have the heavenly family, which consists of the sun and the 8 planets. In our family, the father is the head of the family. In the same way, in our solar system, the sun is the head of the solar system. Now, let us learn more about solar system.
The sun. The sun is a star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases. It is the star closest to the earth. The earth gets its light and heat from the sun. Without the sun, there would be no life on earth. The solar system. The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Children, watch this video carefully. You will come to know more about solar system.
Our topic for today is planets of the solar system. The 8 planets in their increasing order of distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They revolve around the Sun in definite orbits. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. As Mercury is nearest to the Sun, it is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. The second planet, Venus, is the hottest and brightest of all planets. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it is called as the morning star or evening star. The third planet in the solar system is our planet Earth. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which the Earth is also called the blue planet. It is the only planet on which life is known to exist. The fourth planet is Mars. It is also known as the red planet because of the presence of red soil and rocks. The fifth and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is so large that it can occupy nearly 1,300 Earths inside it. The sixth planet, that is Saturn, is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is yellowish in color. It has beautiful rings around it that are made up of ice and dust. The seventh planet is Uranus. A thick layer of gas covers this planet. The eighth planet is Neptune. As this planet is farthest from the Sun, cold winds blow here at very high speeds.
Dear children, we have learnt about our solar system, which is a part of universe. We shall learn about our universe in more detail. The universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space. This universe consists of heavenly bodies like stars, planets, and moons. It also contains dust, gases, and pieces of rock. The earth is like a grain of salt in the vast universe. Stars. What are stars? If you look up at the sky at night, you will see thousands of twinkling lights. These twinkling lights are stars. A star is a huge ball of hot burning gases. It gives out heat and light. There are millions and millions of stars in the universe. They look small because they are very far away from us.
Galaxies. A very large group of stars is called a galaxy. Our solar system is a small part of the galaxy which is known as Milky Way. Constellations. What are constellations? Groups of stars that appear to make patterns in the night sky are called constellations. They are usually named after people, animals, or famous characters in stories. Some of the well-known constellations are Leo, the Great Bear, and Orion. These constellations are easy to spot. The planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that travel around a star. They are usually round in shape. Some of them are made of rocks, while some are made of gases. Planets do not have heat or light of their own. They get their heat and light from the star they move around. The moon. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. A satellite is a body that moves around a planet. The moon is a ball of rock that travels around Earth. It has no light of its own and reflects the light of the sun.
The above topic, what you have learned today, gave you the information about solar system. Dear children, now I have an activity for you. Please write down the answers in your notebook, order the planets, identify the planets and write their names. Thank you children for watching this video.